We'll fix it now. Try the scanner to check it out. You're so smart. Super! Now let's disassemble the wrecking ball.
Keep going.
Perfect! What do we fix first? The engine is broken. Let's take a look at it. Vacuum the dust and dirt. Wonderful! Take apart the broken parts from the engine. You're so smart. That's great! Let's install the new parts in the engine. Super! Wonderful! Pour engine fluid by color into tanks.
Keep going.
Great job! The pipe is broken. No gasoline is coming in. Match the keys to the lock by size. Super duper! You solved the problem! Pick up all the junk with wires. You're so smart! That's great! Help reassemble the pipe. Rotate the pieces so the gasoline can flow through the pipe. Excellent! Oh, what a hole! It needs to be welded in. Let's clean up the edges using a tool. Super duper! Awesome! Put a patch on it. Awesome! Let's weld the edges. Move the tool around the edge of the patch. You're so smart! That's great! The only thing left to do is paint.
Keep going.
Great job! All done! Now help to assemble Wrecking Ball. Wonderful! Let's improve the car! Go to the construction site. Let's go! Congratulations! I'm impressed! You got a sticker for your great work! Unwrap the reward, starting at the top. Wow! What an amazing sticker! Here are the fascinating stickers you collected!